Here at Morse, we are leaders in power tool accessories. At our core, our main objectives are to be easy to do business with, ensure reliable performance and quality, provide best-in-class delivery, inventory, and customer service, maintain affordable pricing, all while being an American-owned company that manufactures products with global materials in our facility in Canton, Ohio. Over time, the industry has created a standard for portable band tooth selection offerings. As the industry continues to change, so do the standards. Tools are improving, getting faster, and making new demands. We recognized at Morse that there was some overlap in our offering, and it was time to make life easier. To do that, effective immediately, we will move to a more standardized product lineup to simplify blade selection for all customers. Today, you currently have the option to buy premium 811 and 1216 blades, master cobalt variable pitch in 1014 and 1418, and standard straight pitch in 14, 18, and 24 wavy. Here's what the new portable bandsaw blade offering will look like. We are now following an application-based model with streamlined tooth pitch options that deliver the same quality cutting results. 811, 1216, 1418, and 18 wavy will become the new standard for Morse portable bandsaw blades. This will allow our distributors to carry less inventory and enable end users to quickly select blades, all while still cutting the same materials as before. For more information on this change, please reach out to your Morse distributor or sales rep, our in-person Morse customer service team, or visit mkmorse.com.